Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm talking about importing moving text graphics into Shotcut. In previous videos I've shown you some ways to manipulate text within Shotcut. But what if there's another app that creates exactly what you want in seconds and you don't know how, or don't have the time to fiddle around with keyframes in Shotcut? You can import it, but the trouble with this is that the text is usually generated with a background that you don't want in your video. The solution, as you may already have guessed, is green screen tech. As long as the background is a block colour. Green is good, obviously, unless your text has to be green. Here in Shotcut you'll see I have a plain colour background for my text to go onto, and my green screen recording. And yes, I know I could have done this directly within the other app. Imagine that the background is a video. Select the green screen text and click onto Filters. Then choose the Chroma Simple filter. Automatically, this assumes a bright green colour removal, as seen in the block, but this colour isn't quite right. It's easy to tell because it's distorting the background colour. So I can click onto the colour picker and choose the actual green I used. Much better. Now comes the slightly fiddly bit. There is a very faint greenish outline to remove, and as these are moving words, there will be elements that are a little greenish as we go through. To remove this, increase the percentage on the bar in the filter. But don't go too far, or you'll start to lose your text. The last one of these is probably the most difficult. On a video background you might not even notice that slight greenish tint as the transformation takes place, but I'm going to tweak it a little further. And this is the final result. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.